Hey guys, how's it going? How to vote as a homeless person. So, voting as a homeless person can be challenging, but here are the steps to help you navigate the process. So, identify your state's requirements. Check your state's rules regarding voter registration, as they may vary for homeless individuals. Many states allow registration without fixed address. You may be able to use a shelter's address or designated location. Make sure to have any required identification. Some states have alternative ID options or may allow you to vote without ID. Explore options for casting your vote, either in person on election day, during early voting, or via mail-in ballot if eligible. Reach out to local organizations, shelters, or advocacy groups that assist homeless individuals with voter registration in the voting process. And then understand polling locations and hours, and consider transportation options if you plan to vote in person. By taking these steps, you can ensure your voice is heard in the electoral process. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.